What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I'm back again. Today, guys, I'll be doing a quick recap of the market of what we were able to capitalize on the previous week, and you'll be able to understand how we managed to take those trades. So, let's not waste much of your time. Let's go straight into the charts. But do not forget, if you are new to this channel, you know what to do to become part of the family. Click subscribe, click like, and also click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a massive video. Let's go. I'm on the charts now. I'm gonna start with NAS100. Just want to show you guys a clear indication how we managed to catch this small little buy that we pushed. But unfortunately, you can see the market reversed at this level. So, but we managed, it reversed just after touching our TPs. So just I want to show you what really happened here. I'm on daily time frame here. As you can see, I drew my points here just to see my low and my highest high will be this one. The highest high will be this one, but I decided to take this one and also use this one as a point of sensitivity. Okay, because you could see that we had a rejection here. So I wanted to see what's going to happen. Okay, then we go to 4 hour. As you can see, I had drawn this chart pattern that simply will give me indication that the break of this will expect the retest before we push to the upside. So I was expecting this to happen. So let's go to 1 hour. Yes, indeed, it happened. As you know that we took this trade on 15 minutes, which we got confirmation there. What really happened, let's go to 15 minutes so that you can be able to see clearly. Okay, this is what really happened here. As you can at most see that you had a very nice correction move here, as I shown you before, that on this we're gonna have a possible stop hunt. You understand? You're gonna have a possible stop hunt because you could see that you could have placed your level here, but I saw that what they're gonna do, they're gonna push it a little bit further down because this was the point of confluence. Then what they did, they pushed it down before pushing. You see, so this is what they did. This was a stop hunt to take out the people that will think, okay, it is broken now, it stopped here, then what am I gonna do? I'm gonna sell. You see, so here they wanted to catch people that are going to continue to sell, because you can see it's a very strong bearish movement. But then I know that there's a possibility of it reversing around this level here. Okay, then when I saw that yes, indeed they did this, then I waited for the specific retest. Then I could see that okay, fine. Now it is confirmed for us to push to the upside, because you must always remember impulse, correction, impulse. As you can see, they stands like this. Okay, and then I pushed, put my buy orders somewhere around here, stop losses below here, always taking it to above this level. But obviously what they did as the market pushed, then the market took this as a point of interaction, and then what it did is let's see how many touches. 1, 2, 3 is the third touch here. So it came to retest. So let's see. Before I had this, I had something like this, so that I could see where is the retest. You can see 61.8. Yes. So I could see that okay, we are having 61.8. So that gave me confidence. That's what gave me confidence to know that, okay, yes, indeed we're gonna reverse back up. It was a correction. So sometimes the corrections look in a manner of straight bearish or straight bullish candles, but you must understand that the previous one that we had was what? Impulse, correction, impulse. You understand? So you can take this as an example, and also looking at this fact, I can see this is an impulse. Then, oops, what's it happening? So always remember the nature's theory, the nature of the market, how the market moves. You can see this one. You can see this is a correction, no matter how. Then impulse. So that's how I managed to catch this one. So I had something like this. Then I knew that indeed this is something that Wednesday. So this is how we managed to catch this one, because we had something like this. You see? So this is how it went down on NAS100. Then we reached our TP here. So you could see that at this level, what was happening, we had this move. As I always tell you guys, you have to understand how the market gets to a significant resistance or significant area. As you can see, this one pushed and then it started to do this, a rising wedge, then boom. You see? So I always explain, okay, hence we are having a move to the downside. This is what was happening. Okay, now I'm gonna go to gold. Okay, gold. We have a very nice scenario, as I gave an analysis, and I also gave a chart confirmation that yes, indeed we are pushing to the downside, because we entered where at this retest. We could put a stop loss out, but I saw that no, it's a bit further, but I put it here. As you know, our first TP will be here. This actually should be the second one, because the first one should definitely be around this point here. You can put the first one around this point, and then second one will be around this point. So this is just how we managed to look at this. So we could say this would have been our first TP, because you took it here. And then, but if we had taken it from up there with a risk entry at the top of the structure, you could have in your first entry. Must always remember to take partial profit so that your account grows and you are able to increase your balance. And also by increase your balance, you get to have enough capital, and also your lot sizes will increase and you're able to withdraw as well. So don't forget to pay your subscribers. So this is what we had. As you can see, we reached our TP. This was a very nice trade, because this confirmation happened Friday, so we took it. And as you can see, you are having confirmation coming from the top. So the market has just been confirming to us all the way. You can see, and you could see what we are having as well here is this impulse. It's a you see, so you could see that you could take your entry around here. Okay, very much. So What are we having here? We having reached our TP, but always remember this does not define that this is the support that we're gonna reverse here. The mere chance of me saying that yes, indeed, we're gonna reverse. I would use this line, this management line, as a confirmation, and also this low if it holds. If we can have something like you can see here, we had a break here, and then what we had a high, and then we had a retest. So I'll expect something like this. You see, it came here, and then I start to create. You see, this is what will define me saying this is pushing up. I start to have this type of scenario developing into a new uptrend. So this will determine whether we are reversing or not. Okay, let me go to pound USD, GBPUSD. With this one, I'd like to show you something. Let's go to daily time frame. Voila, we had a break here. So by me having a break, you could see that yes, indeed, we are pushing to the upside. Remember what I showed you there on gold? Here it is happening. What did we have? We had a move to the downside, and then we started having higher highs, higher low, higher high. Understand? So we broke out of this. So now you can see we are developing what? An uptrend. Developing an uptrend. You see? Okay. So now a recap, want to show you how we managed to take this trade. We had this bearish trend that was broken, and then from this level, I could see that we have a greater chance of pushing to the upside. This one was our high. So, but do you see what happened here? The market decided to just break, push, and then come back, retest, and push again. So, what we expected to happen was this correction, and then we'll enter here at the break of this. But what happened, it moved very quickly, as you can see, didn't give us the correction that we wanted, but we managed to catch it around, it was just around this point, and then reached our TP, which was here, our first TP, and then we moved our stop loss, they kicked us into profit. So you can see we are also having this type of scenario. But I want to show you guys what really got me so informative. You can see if we use our feed level up to the top structure, you can see here we are having 78.6. So where it turned, so you can see that this point it's indeed refusing to push further down. It's because of this zone. Okay, so now that's about it on GBPUSD. I'm gonna go to USDJPY. Yes, on this one, you could see it was a very good trade, and also the dollar index was very strong. It did try to push a little bit down, but as you know your chart patterns, you know what to expect. Okay, 15 minutes. So this one was a trade, as you remember. We caught it around here as well. Yeah, I remember we had a trade running here when they reached our TP. So TP. Stop like somewhere here because we have it around here. Yeah. So you can see basically that we had a retest and then we pushed further up. Yes. Also, you could see it was a very nice trade because we had this, and I'll take it here, and this. You see, we had something like this. So you would see that if you draw your trend lines, then you see that okay, indeed, it is a falling wedge. So we expect the push to the upside. This one happened even here as well. You could see we are having this. So the main thing, guys, is to follow the rules. Once you know how to follow the rules, everything just becomes easier to plan, practice, analyze, and execute too. See? So we are expecting the market to push here. Remember, we had the last trade here, and had our last trade. So expect the market to push further to the upside. As you can see, we are in profit. Euro USD, last trade. This one, what happened here is we knew that it's gonna go down, so we are expecting the market to push here, and once it pushes here, we expect to buy here. So that's it from me, your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero.